Wow! Uh-oh, more dinosaur letters are hiding. Can you help me find letter U? Oh, little U. Now we need big U. Big letter T. Not the letter we're looking for. Nothing here. There it is. Big U. Big U, little u. We found the letter U. Let's find letter V. Little J. That's a different dinosaur letter. Nothing here. Oh, little V. Now we need big V. Big R. That's not V. What's in here? Big V. Big V, little v. We found V. Can you help me find W? Maybe under this one? Little W. Now we need big W. Is it here? No, it's little e. Under here? No, it's big C. Then it must be here. Big W. There you are. Big W, little w. We found W. Let's find X next. It's little I, but we're looking for X. No, nothing here. How about this one? Big H, but not the letter we need. Little X. Now we need big X. There it is, big X. Big X, little x. We found X. Can you help me find Y? Maybe this one? Big L? No, that's not the letter we need. Little H, but we need Y. Oh, little y. Now we need big Y. What is this? It's big Y. Big Y, little y. We found Y. Let's find our last letter, Z. It's little c. Let's keep looking. Nothing here. Big Q. That's not the letter we need. Nothing here. Let's try this one. It's big Z. Now we need little z. There it is, little z. We found Z. Big Z, little z. Great matching uppercase and lowercase letters. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That was fun. Let's find more dinosaurs together.